Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Honda remote key fob. The key fob battery is located behind this round cover here, so we need to remove it to access the key fob battery. So we get a large, like this one, flat-headed screwdriver, because we need to pop it in this indentation here and turn to release it. As you can see on this key fob, here and here, there's an arrow that indicates that this is now locked, and we need to turn it to this point here so it is in the unlock position. I'll just demonstrate. So do it very, very slowly so you don't make a mess of the cover, like so. And there you go, it's unlocked. And we can remove the cover and the battery. This key fob takes a battery like this one with a part number of CR2016. We just pop it back into the housing. We make sure that the writing on the key fob battery is facing upwards and it's in its correct location. So we need to get the cover and we locate it like so. So the arrow is there pointing in the unlock position. And we just need to turn it very slowly and gently so it's in the lock position. Like so. And there you go, it's all done.